Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing the screenshot and opening it in Edit. Do that now. Once the thumbnail appears, tap it or launch Photos and pick the image. This gets you into Markup where you can add overlays. Make sure you've chosen the image and entered Edit, because the Magnifier tool only appears inside Markup. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom to reveal shape and magnifier options. This first action unlocks the magnifier controls you'll use next. Once the magnifier is inserted, you'll see a circular loop overlay. Drag it to the area you want to enlarge. You can pinch the loop to resize it, making it larger for emphasis or smaller to avoid blocking content. Then use the magnification slider to control zoom. This alters how much detail is displayed. If you need to reposition, tap and hold the magnifier edge and move it. These adjustments let you highlight text or tiny UI elements clearly without altering the original image. Finish by customizing the magnifier's border and color to match your presentation needs. Use style controls to add a stroke or shadow for clarity. Once satisfied, tap Done to save changes to photos, then share or export the edited screenshot. If you don't see the magnifier option, make sure your iPhone is on a recent iOS version and restart the Photos app. A quick reboot often restores missing markup tools. If issues persist, check Assistive Touch settings or update iOS in settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.